In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Palworld on Mac. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the ways in which you will be able to play Palworld on a Mac. So, as of today, if you visit the official website for Palworld, you will find it available on Steam, so for PC, and then Xbox and PlayStation 5. However, if you go over to the Steam page for Palworld, it is very clear that the game is only natively available for Windows, so there is no mention of Mac OS here. So, currently, during the time that I'm recording this video, the game is not natively available. However, don't worry. If you go over to the news page on the Pocket Pair website, which are the developers for the game, and you look for Mac, you will find this article from June 2024. Palworld is coming to the Mac. If you click on this link, you will get more information about it here, but basically, Palworld will be officially ported over to Mac. In fact, if you go look at the App Store right now, you will be able to find Palworld officially. Sadly, it is going to be expected to launch in February, so roughly 1 or 2 months, depending on the time that you're watching this video, and it's going to cost $29.99. So basically, sadly, there is no way to play it right now, officially. If you want to have the best experience possible, then just wait until February, purchase the game, and you will be able to play the entirety of Palworld on a Mac device. Alternatively, if you don't want to wait, then you have to look into alternative options. There are softwares developed for Mac that allows you to simulate running a Windows install on your Mac by using programs like that. You will be able to essentially run Palworld on a Mac, but the experience might not be the best, and usually it is going to cost a lot of performance. I would highly recommend waiting if you are able to. In my opinion, it's not worth to go through all of these hoops just to play, but if you really want to play it, then look into alternatives like Crossover. So like I mentioned, Crossover is essentially a translation tool that allows you to run Windows products on a Mac. So choose whichever option you prefer, depending on your patience. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Palworld on Mac. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.